Hey guys, we're replacing a headlamp on a 2005 Saab 9.3. This is the passenger side. On the driver's side, you have to actually pull the battery cover off and all that. But on the passenger side, it's real simple. All we had to do is just take this rubber boot off for weather sealing, whatever it's called. But the whole point of this video is, hold on a second, guys. I'm just going to show you the trick to doing this because I didn't see anything on the end. Did you find a flashlight?
No, I didn't.
Here, maybe try to open the garage. Maybe it'll give us enough light. Sorry about the loud noise, guys. But anyway, I just want to show you one little point. The most important thing about this installation is I can't turn on the flashlight while I'm having it on. Is there a way to turn on the flashlight while you have it on?
I think you have to end it and then start it.
Okay. All right, so I mean, Tammy's always got stuff. Doesn't she have any flashlight? She's got to have one, right? Hold on, guys. I need to, here's what the headlamps look like, by the way. This is the old one, correct?
Yeah.
Okay, perfect. Oh, okay. Here, come in here and just shoot in here. Okay, so you want to shoot like right in here. Okay, so here's what you need to do, guys. The whole thing, the trickiest part about this is basically once you release this little, my hand's in the way. Once you release this little clip right there, I know it's not going to be easy to show, but I'm going to do my best. Anyway, all you got to do with this clip here is basically, I don't know if you guys can see it, just push in and lock it in. I mean, this installation should take you more than 4 minutes from start to end. Okay? I hope you guys can see. I know it's kind of tough. I mean, it's not clear. But anyway, let me, okay, right there. You guys see that spring right there? When you go to take the bulb out, make sure you push in and out. And after you put the bulb in, all you got to do is just push the spring back in there. And get it, did it latch yet? There. All right, can you guys see? I know my video is horrible, but all you got to do is just basically that little spring right there. All you got to do, yep, yeah, hold the light right there, perfect. Okay, you see that spring there? All you have to do is push forward and around, and that releases the bulb. This shouldn't take you more than 4 minutes. All right, so how long is this? 3 minutes? Okay, that's enough. And one thing you want to do is the bulb. Here, let me do something. You see how the bulb, here's the old bulb. You see the bottom part here? That has to be facing down. When you go to install it, basically, it's going to look like this. When you go to install it, put it back in there, it's got to sit like that. You see that notch here? It's going to go in the bottom, and that spring's going to go over and lock. I hope that makes sense, guys. I know my camera is jumping and all that. But yeah, it's a real simple installation. Oh shit, that's not good. It fell through good. And we got the regular, what do you call it? We got the regular filament bulbs, but I highly recommend going LED because the lifetime on the LED is a lot longer. But if you want to go an expensive route, you can go that route. Oh, another thing you want to do is, after you do that, you want to grab the harness. Can you light me up again, please?
Yeah.
Yeah. I don't even know where the harness went. I know it's down here somewhere. Okay, where's the harness? Do you see it? Here, bring that. Where did the harness go? Okay. That doesn't make any sense. Or is that the harness? Hold on a second, guys. I'm gonna have to set this down. See what the harness is. What the hell? Are you serious? That doesn't make any sense. Or did it go back here? Oh, there it is. It's just a very short harness. Here, give me some light so I can film this. All right, so sorry about that, guys. But anyway, you want to grab this little harness here, and all you got to do is just connect it to this. And it doesn't matter how you connect it because it's, there you go. Let's go ahead and give it a try. Turn on the headlight, see if it's working. We'll see if we did a good job. It looked like it was. Come here.
Oh, yeah, that's so much fun. Hey, thank you.
You're welcome. Do you want to replace that one too?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, here we go, guys. So the headlights replaced, and it only took like literally 4 minutes. It took us a while to figure out the way to get it out, but after a while we realized it's real simple. We're gonna do the driver's side here in a minute, and when we get started, we'll film it and share it with you guys. Have a good day.